Jerry here, also known as Gem France. I'm here to do some Maroon 5 for you girls out there. And I know this is one that a lot of my friends' girlfriends love. Payphone. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in the time at the wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You've turned out the lights. I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Always fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. You don't expect to care, but I've said it before. But all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Baby, it's all wrong. Where have the times gone? Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Almost fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song and I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Yeah. Now babe, don't hang up, so I can tell you what you need to know. Baby, I'm begging you, just please don't go, so I can tell you what you need to know. Guys, and those out there, that was for you ladies. And now, I'll show you mine. So guys, this is just my second video, my first music one for you boys and girls out there who love Maroon 5. As I say, this is my brand new laptop. So to everyone out there, I love you all.